Well, it's alright here. Found a good spot in the woods. Got a little fire pit over here. So I'm going to use that tonight and have a few beers. Pitch the tent up somewhere around here. Right, let's get this show on the road. Rose. Sleeping Knot. And that was the left door. The main door's over here, so shove my bag in this side. Plenty of space in this side for doing stuff, leaving stuff, like a little porch. So just throw it in here, not space. There we go. And that goes in there. So I'm going to get dinner going now, so I'm going to use the fire tonight for a change. So I need to collect some wood, so basically that's what I'm doing now, just scourging around looking for some plenty of dry wood for the fire, and then we'll have, oh, there's a good bit, there we go. There's a good bit over here, look at that. I'll have to saw this one up I think, but yeah, I've got my wee saw, so that shouldn't be a problem. Just a lot of energy. So I'll put that there now. And I've got this one here as well. I'll leave them for later though. Need lots of smaller sticks right now. I'm going to need that, plenty of small sticks to get this fire going. So well, hopefully this should Get the fire going, ready for these burgers I've got. I made some of them, made some handmade burgers again, so Grandma's finest recipe. So we have those tonight, some cheese slices and some squashed buns. Flame grilled Whopper, just like Grandma used to make. There we go, the first one. So there we go. Lovely. You can't beat a flame grilled burger. I'm hoping they're not going to burn, because usually on a barbecue you just heat them with the coals, so they're actually getting the flame here, so it might actually not do the burger any good, but I'll try and shift them about a wee bit and try and keep them from burning if I can. Burn them myself if possible. Don't know if this is going to be possible. And stick into the grill pan thing. So do our best. Never done this before, my first time. Usually I use either a barbecue or the gas stove or the little wood fuel burner, the wood stove. So this is the first time I've actually used this device, this grill that I bought on Amazon after I saw it recommended by Scottish Wanderer a few months back. So this is the first time I've used it, so I'll let you know how it goes. Lovely. Better than you get at Burger King. Well, I look a bit ready now. Taking ages though. I had to keep topping up the fire. It kept going out. Well, it went out once or twice, so I think they're cooked. So it's just a case of moving them now over to the bun. And I've got some cheese slices here, so it'll go down well. It smells lovely. It smells better than a barbecue. Oh, lovely. Delicious. Just like Grandma used to make back in the day. Oh, smoky. Delicious. Oh yeah. I bet Mr. Globetrotter wishes he was here. Nice flame grilled handmade burger. So somebody's been here before. They've been here and they left a Lambrini bottle, some fish, a sardine can, and an old saw, no blade. I don't know why you would carry a saw away up here, but never mind. Fair enough for the Lambrini, but I would certainly want to bring the Lambrini up here. Well, that's dinner over. Time to get this fire back on. Get it going again somehow. Maybe get a tin of this open as well. Got some buds from the shop on the way up. Just a few beers tonight, nothing heavy. Cheers. Mine's a bud. Well, I better get some more of this wood cut before it gets dark. It's starting to get dark now, so get this fire. I want to keep this fire going for a wee while, maybe get the music on for a while. So I need to get the wood cut. Even though I don't enjoy cutting it very much. Has to be done, I suppose. Right, time to get these tunes on now. My head torch ready. Starting to get a bit dark now, so okay.
A place that takes me to a higher ground. A place to call my own, but share it amongst millions of friends around the world. And now, I've found that place.
Cheers, everybody.
Uplifting.
What?
Take me to trance heaven, right here, right now.
Are you guys ready for a state of trance? Put your hands in the air. Come on.
Providing you with the latest and best every week. Here's your DJ, Armin van Buren.
Oh yes, this is the life. Switch my head torch on for you there, maybe get a better view. Sorry about the music, I know it won't be to everybody's taste, but I won't play it for long, so just so you get the general idea, you know. Right, so and the coffee, where's the coffee? Coffee's here. Don't want that one though. I don't want the other one. I can might as well just have it. Black coffee. Wake me up. Aye. And there's my porridge. Porridge as well. Oh. I was going to have my coffee brewer coffee, but I've forgotten the milk sachets, little milk cartons. I forgot to bring them, so I'm just going to have the Nescafe, the Maxwell House coffee instead, the yucky one. It'll do the job, and a wee porridge as well. See if I can do something about the weight in this bag. See if I can knock it down a few kilos when I get back. That's it for today.